Hi there, welcome back. Thank you for joining me today. I believe you enjoy our tutorials a lot, and so today, I would like you to subscribe to the channel. Make sure you give us a like if you really enjoy our tutorials and you enjoy our videos. Today there's something I want us to learn today, which is very simple and easy for you, whether you are beginning with Python or you are in an intermediate or you are an advanced. So today what we are going to learn is that we are going to learn how to track a phone number using Python. Tracking phone numbers using Python. So sometimes somebody can call you and you're like, "Who is this? I don't know this number." I'm going to show you how to track the person, how to find the location of the person using Python code. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So before we start, there are some models or libraries you have to import. We have to import about four libraries or four models, and these are: number one, you have to import phone numbers. I'm sorry, phone numbers. Then from phone numbers, you import um yeah, you import carrier, and then from phone numbers again, you import geocoder. Then from phone numbers again, he imports time zone. Now, because of time, I will teach you what each and every model here or every library here does. As we keep going, I'll show you what everything does. So just stay tuned and let's keep going. I don't want to take much of your time, and so you should follow me, and I'll teach you everything and how everything is done. Okay. So after importing these libraries or these models, you are halfway done, right? So it's left with a code which will detect the number and everything. So let's get right into it. So what you're gonna do here is that you're gonna create a variable. Say let's say phone number. Let's say number. You say number is equal to, and then here is where you are going to accept the number. Um, you input the number here to know the information or the details about it. So let's say input, then let's say enter number, right? With with country code, right? Like this. And then the next thing we are going to do is that we're going to say phone, which is a variable, is equal to phone numbers dot pass, right? Then you pass the number into it like this. Then you move on to your third variable, which is you're going to say, let's say car. This is where you are going to use the variable the carrier. This is where we are going to use the, let's say car. We go to um carrier um carrier dot name underscore for underscore number, right? Sorry, for number, right? Then you open a bracket, then you put phone inside, you pass the phone variable inside, then you bring comma, then the language, which is going to be English, right? Then you move on to the next line of code, which is you are going to tackle the time zone to say time should be equal to time zone, right? Dot time underscore zones, right? Underscore for number, right? So like this, then you open a bracket, then you pass into it the phone, right? You move on to the next one, which is geocoder. Now we are working with a geocoder. So move to the next one, which is the geocoder. So the geocoder to is a geocoder dot description, right? I hope I'm right. Description for number. Then you open, you pass phone into it, you bring a comma, then the language, right? English. Now, when you're done with this, what you are going to do is that you are going to print these variables out. So let's try printing them out. Say print, say phone, and say print again, car, then you print again, geo, then you print again the time, right? So with this lines of code, we are done, and we can track any number, and I mean any number that calls you, right? So let's try running things. If you're on Windows, you press F5, and then you hit the OK, and then um it starts running, and it says enter number with country code. So let me try this number. Excuse me. Enter, and then you see it works perfectly fine. So it has given me the country code of the number, which is 233, the national number, which is this, and then the carrier name of the number, which is MTN, and then the time zone. This is what the time zone does. So the time zone is where the number is actually located, which is Africa and Accra to be precise. And then the geo is the country the number is. So this is the geo, it has given us the geo, which is the country, and then this is the time zone, right? The time zone is in Africa, Accra to be precise, and then the carrier name of the number is the MTN, right? And so this is a simple code, but yet powerful to track any phone number that calls you. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you subscribe and stay tuned for more. Thank you. See you some other time.